So before we have seen like suffix, it is prefix. Prefix mean those words which will come before of that word. Okay. So in this now we will see like combining form and like also and suffix is there also and prefix terminologies are there. Okay, and that sort of thing. So let's we are moving. Okay, those words now which come in a before now that is prefix. Carbo. So here given like the combining form and their meaning. So like carpo mean like rich bone. Okay. Carpo. Carpal. Whenever the word come na carpal or carpo. CARP. It means wrist. Our hand wrist. Okay. Wrist bone. Uh okay. And CISO. CISO. It is cut. Okay. COSTO. Costo mean the rib. Chest bone. Okay. It is rib. Cutaneous. CUTANEO. Cutaneous means skin. Like subcutaneous we say, no? So cutaneous means skin. Whenever this word comes, okay, so like this is the skin. It's meaning dactyl, DACTYLO, dactylo is finger toes like that. Ducto mean lead, carry out. Okay, and flax mean band. Okay, flax in extension we say no flax mean band. FURC Furco, it is branching. Closo, it is tongue. Okay, sorry, glosso, it is tongue. Glyco, GLYCO, glyco means sugar. Okay, okay. Like we say, no, hyperglycemia. The glyco word come in this. So immuno means protection, immune power, our morpho means shape formation, morto means death. Okay, net, prenatal we say, no, prenatal. That is new birth, like the net means birth. Normo like rule out, rule or order. Ox mean oxygen. Pube mean pubic bone, our tailbone, last bone, okay, in our body. So entire portion of the pelvic or hip bone, no? That is pubic. And SAPS, SEP, SAP mean infection. SOMNO, somno mean sleep. SONO, sono mean sound. TNS, tenso. Tenso mean force, strength, straight like, stretch like, okay. The foot place, hello, helio, like it is a nipple, okay. So no need to see this much in this, okay. On but some of the word now it comes like to identify. Whenever we tell pronunciation a full word, na, this portion will come in this little bit. Like thyroid gland test, okay, which is shield, which is shape of the thyroid gland resembled like the shield. Uh, topo means place, position, location. Toxo means poison. Tracheo means windpipe, trachea. Urethra means urethra. Okay. Crino. So, crine means secret. Okay. Drum mean it is a suffix. Okay. Drum mean run. Fusion mean coming together to pour. Okay. Fusion mean coming together or to fill up like this. Gen means substance that produces like genesis. We say, no? Lapse means slide, fall. Okay. Lysis means breakdown, destruction. Meter means measures. Mission. Mission means sand or mean one. Port. Partum means birth labor. Phoria means bear, carry, feeling, mental status. Phoria. Okay. Like phobia, we say no? Like the same, like this kind of. It is the Pisces is grow. Plasia means development, formation. Plasma means structure or formation. Pinia, breathing. Preterm. Preterm is happening occurrence. Pitosis, like falling, dropping, prolapse our eyelid, na? Pitosis, closing like this. Ria means discharge. Something is secreting, that kind of fluid, no? It is secreting, discharging, like stasis, like stopping, controlling. Trophy means development, nourishment. Okay. And suppose we put A na, so atrophy. The atrophy means without nourishment, trophy means nourishment. Like in this prefixes are there. Nothing is there in this chapter because we have seen suffix with prefix. So a n. Whenever a or a n will come in before any word, na, it means without. Okay, I mean that will not happen like this. So apnea, apnea. So apnea is the like deficiency. Okay, anorexia is a deficiency of oxygen. Ab mean away from. Okay, the abnormal, abductor. Okay, this word uh, we are chapter 4 to. So like ab mean whenever the ab word come no, so away from like okay. So like abnormal, abductor. So abductor mean a muscles na that draws a limb away. Okay. Suppose we are putting our hand far away from our body na, so we are stretching our hand towards upside. So it is the abductor. Okay. All things will come in a detail, very in a very good manner. Okay. Like this AD with two words like adductor. Adductor means like a muscle that draws a limb towards the body. Like we are suppose we are putting our hand towards to the our okay like body. Okay. So it is clothing. So like when we are closing our hand na, towards the body, so like it is the adductor, and we are putting like away, so it is the abductor. Ana, ana means up. Okay. Anabolism, analysis, like checking out. Anabolism, catabolism, we have seen na. Okay. So like anti means before, like anticipum. So word sebum means mills. Okay. Sebum means mills. The notation ACC prescribed order means before meals. Okay, AC means before meals the order no? As you give the to the patient no? Like PC mean after post meal, AC mean before meal. Right. Anti-flexion. Flexion mean our extension flexion. Anti-flexion before forward. Antepartum. Anti mean like before. Okay. Whenever this comes before, its meaning also before. Anti against antibiotic. Antibiotic. Okay. So like it again, na, the doctor give the medicine, antibiotic medicine. So if the protein produces again an antigen, foreign body antigen. Antibiotic mean again will do work again of that germ. Okay, so they look antigens and antibodies. So antigen antibodies. Okay, antisepsis and antisepsis now it is a changes to cis mean changes. Okay, the word cis mean changes to TIC to form an antigen substance for infected septicemia is a serious bacterial infection, antitoxic. Okay, so like this is a medicine kind, antitoxin, antisepsis, a closer look, antigen, antibiotics. By number will uh, this word will come in a further by number one something given. Antitoxin, it is the antibody. Okay, from an animal such as horse that acts against a toxin. Antitoxin, the kind of medicine they made. If you read this, you will understand an acute bacterial infection of the nervous system. Okay. Auto means self. Okay. By own. Autoimmune disease. Okay. Bi means two. Bi means two. Bifurcation. Normally splitting into two branches, such as bifurcation of the trachea to form the bronchi. Okay. So like it is divided into two. So by bifurcation is a two meaning, two way. Okay. Brady. Brady means slow. B-R-A-D-Y. Brady means slow. Like we say, na, our heartbeat is slow. So like bradycardia, we say, na, bradycardia means slow. Our heartbeat is slow. Okay. So usually pulse is less than 60. Okay. The heart rate tachycardia. Tachycardia means fast होता है. It is means fast. Okay. Bradycardia means slow heartbeat. Tachycardia means fast heartbeat. Okay. Like 100 per minute. Keta. Keta means down. Catabolism. Okay, like the larger part, no, it is divided into simpler part, smaller part. Theo and con. Con mean with together. So like congenital anomaly. Ah, whenever it come before, no, congenital mean together. Okay, nothing is important. This just read this word. Word is important. Contra mean against, opposite. Contra mean against. Okay, contra indications. Contra mean against in this term. Contraindication, like something like again, opposite indication. Contralateral mean again in this term. Contra mean opposite. Stroke affecting the right side of the brain may cause contralateral paralysis. Like contralateral, like opposites both side, na? Can say contralateral. D down, like dehydration, like come down. Water level, hydration mean water. D mean down. The decreasing this level, decreasing this level. Okay. Die, DIA, die. Die means throw complete, like diameter, diarrhea, dialysis. We know this word, hemodialysis. The meaning is the dia means separate, lysis, hemodialysis, waste material are separate from the blood via a machine. Okay, they do the dialysis mean like separating the waste material and pure things separate. DYS dies, abnormal, bad, difficulty, painful. Okay, this whenever this comes, it is painful. So dyspnea, like often called a respiratory or cardiac condition, that in difficulty in taking the breathing of like this. Okay, dyspnea mean dysentery, dystrophy, like difficulty in nourishment, trophy. Okay, muscular dystrophy mean like include many inherited diseases that cause muscular weakness. So it's not made correctly, muscular dystrophy, no? Not providing the nourishment properly. Dystrophy. EC. EC means outside, like ectopic. Ectopic pregnancy mean like the pregnancy happen in some other place. Okay. So if you read this, no, ectopic means pertaining to out of place or modify the no. Okay. Like shifting some little bit aside. Endomen in within like endocardium. We have seen this within the cardiac heart. Okay, endoscopy. We have seen endotracheal. We have seen endotracheal tube blade through the mouth into the trachea. Is used for giving oxygen and in general anesthesia. Okay. EP mean above epithelium. We know that above. So epithelium mean like a layer of skin. So above the so that layer. You mean good normal euphoria. Euphoria means feeling of well-being. Euthyroid mean normally thyroid function. Thyroid. Normal thyroid function is euthyroid. Normal. You mean normal. X mean outside. X of almost the protrusion of the eyeball associated with enlargement and over activity of the thyroid gland. The abdomen outside come outside this part of body. Like ophthalmos mean our eye come out some little bit. Hemi mean half of like hemiglossectomy. Mean half glossectomy like removing of our tongue level. Gloss mean tongue. So removal of half of the portion of that tongue. Hyper mean excessive above. Okay. hyperglycemia. So this is a sign. Okay, hyperglycemia. This is a sign of diabetes mellitus. Like level excessive, na come in large amount. Okay. Second is atrophy. You know that. Okay. High blood pressure. Just word. See the word. Hypo deficiency. Deficient under. Hypo mean deficient. Okay. Under mean. Hypo mean below. Hypodermic injection like below the skin injection. Hypoglycemia. The level is come down. Okay. Sugar level come down. Glycemia means sugar. In mean not like insomnia. Okay. People they don't feel sleeping like insomnia. In mean into within in season. You know that we know that in season. Okay. In season is making the cut. Infra mean beneath under. Infracostal. Beneath mean under. And something inside. Okay. Infracostal like inside of the rib bone. Okay. Costal mean our like thoracic area. And inter mean between like intercostal. Okay. Intercostal mean between. You know that. Inter mean we already know. Intra mean within, also intravenous. We give macro mean large, macrocephaly. Macro mean large. Okay, cephaly mean our head region. Okay, so big head region, like we can say. It is an abnormality. Mal mean bad. Malaysia. Bad Malaysia mean it is a kind of deficiency, discomfort, symptom, illness of. It is a symptoms of illness, often marking the onset of a disease. Okay, it is a kind of deficiency something. Malignant, we know that tumor, it is a cancer tumor. Benign mean which is happen newly. Okay, before 3 months. 3 months is only going on. Benign mean that. Okay. Chronic mean more than 3 months or 6 months. Okay. Malignant mean cancers. Meta mean beyond, like change. Meta mean beyond. Metacarpal bone. So carpal is our hand bone. Okay. Carpal bone mean hand bone. Meta mean beyond. Okay. Like the five hand bone, like na lying beyond the wrist. So like our finger, na, it is saying that metacarpal mean our finger, carpal mean hand, tarsal mean foot. Metamorphosis. So meta mean change in this term, the change in development from the larval caterpillar stage to adult butterfly is a form of metamorphosis. Morphosis. Metastasis is the beyond and stasis mean controlling that. Metastasis. The meta is beyond. Stasis is controlling them. The metastasis is the malignant tumor that has spread in a second location. This is the metastasis is the like malignant tumor that has spread beyond. Micro means small microscope. You know that we see with the help of microscope. Microcephaly. Microcephaly associated with a smaller underdevelopment brain due to the virus. Neo mean neonatal. Neo mean new. Neonatal, na, the children just recent have taken the birth. The neonatal period is the interval from birth to 28 neoplasm. Neoplasm form. Neoplasm मतलब newly form. Okay, neoplasm. Benign or malignant, we can say tumor also. Neoplasm. Pen mean all. Pancytopenia mean deficiency of erythrocyte. All. Leukocyte, thrombocyte. It is a kind of like all opnia mean deficiency. Erythrocyte. Okay. Para mean abnormal. Paralysis like this. Okay. Where our body stop to work. So like PER per through like percutaneous. Okay. Percutaneous mean like skin layer. Per mean through. through that area. Like peri means surrounding, we know pericardium, layer of around the surround, cardiac. Poly mean many, much. Poly mean many. Okay, so polymorphonuclear mean many, morphonuclear. Polynucleotides, like inflammation of multiple inflammation of nervous system, like neural, neural mean nervous. Post mean after, behind. The postmortem, like after that we can take the postmortem. And postpartum, okay, postpartum status, like after birth. Partum mean after birth the child. Postpartum mean after birth the child. Okay. Pre mean before, in front of. Pre-cancerous, before. Pre mean before. Okay, so pre-cancer means before the cancer happening. Okay, that mean this is a benign or a starting stage. Prenatal mean like a newly born child. Okay, pro mean before, forward. Prodrome. Okay, prodrome not come mostly. It comes in when we make the discharge summary on doctors. Now use this word. So this is all about the doctor word. Doctor uses this word. Okay, exactly this word. Nothing more than this. Exactly this is the like doctor book. All words and all things are given in this. If you read now in detail, you will know more better. Like pros. Pros mean before. Prosthesis. Okay. So like if you see like read now, then you will know. Ari mean back again. Like relapse. Relapse mean just gone that symptoms. Okay. So disease now or a sign of symptoms now return after an apparent recovery. Okay, this mean relapse mean like again that disease come. Okay, disease or its sign na symptoms return after an apparent recovery. Like after treatment, na the disease again happen. Remission mean like sign and symptom na lesion and the patient feel better. Like remission mean gone. This disease gone. Okay, like patient become or like suitable, comfortable. The remission may be spontaneous or the result of treatment. In some cases, a permanent remission means the disease is cured. Mean cured. Okay, the disease is gone. Like retro mean behind. Okay, retroperitoneal mean our backside of stomach area. Okay, retro mean back. Retroflexion mean backside flexion. Sub mean under. Subcutaneous mean under the skin. Supra mean above upper. Okay, the like suprapubic, like above the pubic bone, like we can say that pubic suprapubic catheter. Like symptoms is together, syndactyl together. Syn mean together. Synthesis is the protein. Complex protein are built up from simpler amino acids. Synthesis. Okay. Syndrome, we know that syndrome. No need to symphysis. Equally a part of all opposite side of the body. What is asymmetric? Symphysis. A symphysis is a joint in which the bony surface are firmly united, okay, by a layer of fiber cartilage. The symphysis is the joint area, okay, in which other things firmly like built. Taking mean fast tachycardia, tachyapnea mean taking the fast breath. The child take the fast breath. Trans mean across through transfusion, okay. Suppose transfer of blood or blood part from one person to another, not a transfusion. Transurethral, okay, something putting machine putting inside anything to take out the part. Okay, ultra mean beyond access, like ultrasonography with the doctor do now. Okay, uni mean unilateral. Okay, one side mean only one side. Here given like kidney, ureter, bladder, and adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. Picture it is a simple picture. No need to see. No need to understand much more in this. Ectopic like here, na whatever we have done na before, we given here like in a picture way. So like fallopian tube is there. Ectopic pregnancy we have seen. Na? So ectopic means the pregnancy happen in some other place. Like given na. Okay, this is the ectopic pregnancy. And fallopian tube is there. We seen normal cell is this hyperplasia, hypertrophy, atrophy. This is the pictorial picture representation. Okay, nothing important in this. Here given pubic bone it is pubic bone, pubic bone this is okay pelvic bone. Supra pubic catheter here put to take out the fluid. Pubic bone, pubic bone. Okay, nothing important in this. We have seen already all the things. Sleep apnea. When sleep apnea occurs when breathing suddenly stops during sleep. Okay. Anti we have seen autoimmune disease, peritoneal dialysis, nothing important sign symptoms. You can see also in a book. Intra we have seen symbiosis is the occur when two organisms live together in close association, either from mutual benefit or not. Symbiosis, okay. In close association, either. Okay. Bacteria, antigens and antibiotic is not important. In this antigen, antibodies, immune response, nothing important. This only the word is there. We know that all this antibodies, antibiotic, how they work. Na? Given the picture, just given the process of that condition. No, it is newly born. No, like, you can read this in a detail. Okay. Whenever you will free, na, you can read this book. Once you read na, the entire book, na, then after this only just see the word. Okay, just see the word. This is the stage of pregnancy. Okay, stage of pregnancy. It is nothing important. This no need to go in a deep. Even you maybe have like more knowledge in this congenital anomaly. We know that like this congenital happen when abnormal birth like anything. Okay, so congenital anomaly is clubfoot mean either hereditary congenital anomaly, clubfoot. Our foot now both like this in picture A now we are seeing we can see how the foot happen. It is coming close. Okay, the combination DNA technology. Okay, how to treat, how to do, not important. Syndrome, Marfan syndrome. It is syndrome, no? Syndrome like Marfan syndrome and the Reich syndrome. If you read, you will know. Transition TURP that come in while we type the report or make the report. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, I mean a tissue like come more, hyper mean excessive amount, okay, and deposit in that area. So benign prostatic hyperplasia, I mean benign it is a newly collection, okay. Then prostate gland like this, okay, that put into the instrument and just take out TURP. It is a transurethral section of the prostate, okay. Take out the damaged part. Ultrasonography we know, echocardiogram, sonogram we know, nothing important. This okay, then what is this? Practical. It is exercise. This word is anyway we already seen this all this word. Okay, this exercise. Whenever you have time, if you want, you can see it. Okay, and this now given only word. This is the word. Okay, this word only you need to read. Whatever we have seen in this in this chapter, this word all one together has it is appearing here. Okay, so like you can read all this word. Okay, and the meaning you will get above just we have seen. Okay, okay.